Scotty, you
Hi, boys and girls.
are you polishing John's
It's Scotty.
boing?
And new wheel cylinders, snugged, tucked,
Done.
and in place. Did the same thing on the other side.
Rear wheel cylinders done.
So that's done.
Rear
and
brake lines
and
done.
and look, exhaust system's getting ready to go in, baby.
Routing it. Nice.
I got to get the mufflers in place because I'm just kind of doing a mock-up for the exhaust.
Yeah, because that's going to involve Bobby's fucking welding talents.
And we've got the proper clamps for it, so I'm not quite sure how we're going to do it as of
Clamp
yet.
it,
but
and once it's all in and clamped and where it's supposed to be, I'm going to tack it
Yep.
gently so it doesn't come loose.
Only because I want this out of my hair.
It wasn't in your hair, it was on the floor.
Same thing.
Ooh, are you sticking it in?
Stick it in, stick it in.
I like-
that rub it in. I don't fucking remember.
So this has this piece here. Is that supposed to be like that?
Yeah, it's to blow it down.
Oh, that's dumb.
Well, I agree, but
But I mean, you don't want like rolling coal marks on your chrome bumper. I get it, but
yeah, exactly. So,
I would. I mean, I'd be like, yeah.
okay,
Fire.
so this
Ooh,
is in its rough position.
you like rough positions from right here.
Well, hey. There we go. I think this one needs to be on this side.
You got to put the muffs in now. You know they're numbered, so they tell you what side to go to. See, there's a sticker with a number on it.
Right, 6.
It says Scotty, is it a Moss?
6 525 586 525 386. I wonder if I got the tailpipes in reverse. Which is possible.
We'll play test fit.
Oh, wait a minute. No, left-hand rear. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, look at you.
It's written. It would help if I actually read the big words that said left-hand side.
You don't know how to read.
Hey, they taught me colors last week. I'm doing pretty good.
So earlier we covered motor mounts,
Yep.
parking brake cables. That's another thing.
We're doing all the brakes, the lines, the hoses.
The actual springs and everything are.
Oh, yeah,
Beautiful.
everyth's perfect. It's all, whoever did this.
It was done a while ago, but
Yeah.
it's nice.
It
It's
never
it's
got
not,
used.
Don't mess with something that's perfect.
Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Because you'll just cause more headaches. But
Yeah.
this is sketchy. Those are nasty. So we get
Yeah,
that.
I just
the
really
motor
don't like
mounts,
them.
And then we should be.
Let's show the other side. 'Cause
Styling.
I got to clean that up anyways because I got to get ready to go in a second.
Oh, yeah, it's almost 4. See, Scotty gets here before me and leaves before me. We kind of work in shifts.
Okay,
Well,
so everything is done.
I have house responsibilities.
Yeah, and I don't.
And senior citizen responsibilities and dog responsibilities. Your senior citizen responsibilities. are
Not
different.
yet. Not
Next
yet.
year, 55 and up. Then you can
Yep.
go live at Del Webb with the other old people.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they could. Yeah, I
Madam,
could just picture me living in an old folks' home, cranking Metallica, Disturbed,
Think about
dance
when-
music.
Think
Yeah.
about when I go to the old folks' home.
Oh, good God! You're gonna be grabbing every piece of nurse pie you
Come
can
here,
get
Mima. Take a look at this. Hey, nurse.
Is this supposed to be like this?
Is this supposed to grow?
It's getting big. What do I do now? Oh no, it's getting big. Fuck! It's moving towards me.
Oh, Jesus.
Where
Where were we? Oh, yeah. Wheel cylinder.
Yep,
You did
wheel
this one.
cylinder's in. It's on. It's done.
All right.
I just don't like leaving a mess.
And those bolts got delivered today
Okay.
at my house instead of here.
So,
because they have both addresses, and
Yeah.
it's a crapshoot. Doesn't matter.
but everything's in and it's tucked.
So Scotty will pop those in tomorrow. Bing, bing. Done,
Yeah, it
done.
shouldn't take me but, a couple of moments and it'll be done.
And then this is sort of mocked. It's not where it's 100% supposed to be yet.
Yeah.
We'll put the hangers. We'll twist and shout.
Twist and...
And then all your exhaust will be done too.
Yep.
It has been a day. Scotty has
Did
worked
we-
on this all day.
Yeah, I have not stopped all day. I mean, the biggest
You
issue
did
is
a
because...
half-hour video with me on the vet, but other than that,
Yeah,
you've been here all day.
so...
And lunch. So there's going to be like a 1-hour break on the invoice for today because Scotty actually did something other than this.
There we go.
Now it
That's
turns
better.
Boing. Ding, press are done.
Boing, boing, boing.
Boing.
Shaboopy, shaboopy.
Oh my. Okay, so parking brake cables. I'm going to hunt those out, get those on for order.
Okay, so those two are right. Now I just want to double check these, see if these are written.
See, Scotty's on this.
Yeah, we're spot on.
I
We're
cannot-
I without even knowing, I put it together properly because I've never done an exhaust system on a 56.
Nice. So yeah,
now
you just throw the mufflers in, the clamps, we hang it, we do a little twisty, a liney, and then I tack it, and away we go.
I'm curious though. We've got all the new exhaust hangers, and I'm thankful. I'm great. Yeah, blah 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 blah.
You can't be curious.
How the flying fuck knuckle?
Ooh, fuck knuckle.
Do you get to unbolt the hanger because it's in between the body and the frame, and there's literally no room?
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
I mean, it's there, but there's no. Oh, it's welded.
I'm coming down.
It's welded. See what I mean? It's up here and it's welded. My hand fits in.
Oh yeah. Oh no, that's the bracket. And
yeah.
You can unbolt it,
but
and our hanger actually goes.
The new ones are the whole bracket and the strap. But I mean, if we can unbolt the strap,
we could just do that.
Yeah, I mean, because there's no way. I'm not cutting.
No, I'm not.
No way. No way.
But we'll check it out. It's not a big deal. Don't freak out, man. Don't freak out.
Oh, that came out so
We're
nice.
gonna hook that back up.
Yep.
Oh, we gotta finish dropping the pan. I dropped it before the hardware's here.
Okay.
We're gonna drop it, make sure good filters in there, everything. I dropped that a long time ago. The
Okay.
oil pan up there is done.
Yeah.
It didn't need to reseal. We might scrape a little grease off it, but it's got fresh drain plug and everything in it, fresh oil.
Okay. Good.
It's been ran. Same with cooling system. We just need to wipe everything down because it was outside for a little while, so it got a little dusty.
Dusty here in the desert? No.
Especially this summer.
Quit lying.
It was in and out all summer. Like before you got here, Scotty, this thing was like inside, and then it was outside.
I'm in. I'm out. I'm fucking all. Oh, sorry.
What? No.
Ew.
Ew.
I'm sorry. We have to get those shirts made. Ew.
The ew was?
Yep.
Yeah, the oh girl reference.
Yep.
So, damn, Scotty.
I mean, I'm kind of pretty impressed.
You're a machine.
This is coming out really, really nice.
Oh, transmission output chef seal. You got to do that too.
Okay.
It's here. It's in the trunk.
Okay, then it shouldn't take me but a couple of minutes to do that.
Yeah, pop that in.
Oh, do we know where the...
They should be in the trunk. If not, I have a set that fits it.
Okay, well, you'll have to grab those because I want to get the drive shaft in it.
Well, we got to get the U-joints here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, because I
Remember
showed
Larry
them earlier.
dicked us on that.
Yeah. I left the old U-joints in when I painted everything because of the tolerance with everything. So everything will be nice and shiny, clean and new and looking good. Yeah. And yeah, it's time for me to get out of here.
And it's 4 o'clock. Get out of here, Scotty.
See you guys.
Go away.
I know, because no one loves me anymore.
Go away.
I'm hurt. I need my safe space.
Such a long commute to next door.
I know, right?
I'll be over there in
one shop to the next.
I'll be over there in a bit to give you guys a hand.
I'm not leaving a mess. I don't do that.
That's not what your ex said.
Yeah, and he's the one that broke up with me to sleep with a minor. Where is he now?
Definitely a bottom.
He is.